So hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Copilot Pro subscription. And here's the answer. To cancel Copilot, which is the subscription of Copilot Pro, use the Microsoft account that was used to buy it and follow these steps. First of all, go to the subscription page at the Microsoft account in the Microsoft account.service and sign in with the account that you have purchased the Copilot Pro with. After that, in Service and Subscriptions, locate the Copilot Pro subscription, select Manage next to the Copilot Pro subscription. If Turn on Recurring Billing is shown instead of Manage, the subscription is already set to expire on the date shown and will not renew. No further action is required. On the Management page, select Cancel and follow the on-screen instructions to complete cancellations. Now, for those who want a refund, this is something different, and here is the note that comes with it. If cancellation occurs within the applicable refund window, a refund is issued automatically. In certain countries like Canada, Denmark, Faroe Islands, France, French Guiana, France, Polynesia, Greenland, Guadeloupe, Israel, Korea, Martinique, Mayotte, there are a lot of countries here. A prorated refund is available anytime, so you can get literally the refund at any moment. And in all other countries, regions, a prorated refund is available if cancellation occurs within 14 days of initial purchase. After the refund window, recurring billing must be turned off instead of expecting a refund. And if Copilot was purchased through Google Play or Apple App Store, cancellation and any refund must be requested through their respective support channels, not through the Microsoft account portal. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can cancel your subscription with the Copilot Pro. This is very simple and easy, few steps and you will be there. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.